Hello my dear viewers, welcome back. In this video, we are going to study the lesson number 11 of EVS grade 3, that is importance of teeth. In this lesson, we will know the importance of teeth and types of teeth and their functions and develop the habit of cleaning your teeth. Here there is a small story of rabbit and dog. Let us study. See, rabbit and a dog were friends. One day they were walking near a pond. Rabbit says, "Oh, the grass has grown in plenty." Plenty means many. Many grass has grown here. I will eat quickly from here. So the dog says, "Oh, see there is a large piece of flesh. I will bite it and I will eat it." The rabbit was surprised to see that the dog is tearing the flesh and eating. Dog eats flesh, no children? Yes. How do the dog eat the flesh? By tearing it, right? So the rabbit was surprised. Rabbit was shocked to see the dog tearing the flesh and eating. So the rabbit asks the dog, "How quickly do you tear the flesh?" So the dog says, "Look at my teeth. They are very sharp. I can't eat grass like you." Rabbit laugh and it says, "Look at my incisors. They helps me to cut the grass." Incisors are the name of the teeth. Okay, rabbit are having the incisors. Incisors are the type of teeth, the teeth which are there in front, no, that is called incisors. Dog says, "It is true. Just like my canyons help me tear the flesh." Canyons are the teeth which are present next to the incisors. Now next we will study how will be the teeth arranged in our mouth and what are the names of our teeth. Okay, so here rabbit and dog were discussing about their different types of teeth which help them to do the different work, right? Yes, so children, you heard this conversation of dog and rabbit. Now stand in front of the mirror and observe your teeth. Children, do your teeth look same, all the teeth? No. Your teeth are different from your right hand end to the left hand end, right? Yes. See, if you will open your mouth, your teeth will be like this, no? Yes. See, in front, the four teeth, four side up and four side down teeth which are there in front, they are called incisors. They have very sharp edges, right? Yes. Now, how do these incisors help you, children? These helps you cutting the food items, right? Whichever food items you want to cut, you cut it from your front teeth only, right? Then after you will take it to the end teeth and then you will chew. Right, children? Yes. Next, after the incisor, there will be canyons. See here? See the shape of the canyon teeth? Yes. So, the teeth which are next to incisor in your mouth, they are little long and sharp. Isn't it? See the canyon teeth? They are little long and sharp. These are called canyons. Okay. How do the canyons helps us, children? The function of these canyons is to cut the hard items like sugarcane, carrot, etc. Okay. So the canyons helps to tear the food. The canyons in dogs and tigers and other carnivorous animals are very long and sharp. Why it is so, children? Because the carnivorous animals eat flesh. What are carnivorous animals? We have already studied in our previous classes. Carnivorous animals are the animals which eat the flesh of other animals, right? Yes. So, the canyons of these carnivorous animals are very long and sharp to cut the flesh and tear the flesh, right? Yes. Now, children, the food which goes into your mouth, can be grinded, can be chewed by the set of teeth which are present at the end of your mouth are called molars. So, the molars help to grind the food. Okay. So, how the molar teeth will be, children? The molars will be big and flat. Right, yes. The teeth which are in the part of jaws are molar. Okay. Here, one activity is there. See, children, you observe the mouth of old people, the aged people who have lost their teeth, who don't have any teeth in their mouth. How do they eat? They eat by the jaws, right? So, now here, see here, Kareem is 7-month-old baby. Now his teeth are appearing. See, children, newborn baby do not have teeth. Okay, when they will come to 7 to 10 months, the new teeth will appear to them, right? So these teeth are called milk teeth. Okay, now John is 8 years old. His teeth have started falling. In that place new teeth are appearing. If you are to 8 to 7 years, the teeth will start falling, and in that place new teeth will appear. Okay, so now the John has 20 teeth, and here Suresh is 35 year old and he is having 32 teeth. Okay, and Rangaji is 70 years old and some of her teeth have fallen. The teeth which have fallen to Rangaji will not grow again, right? So here one activity is there. Count your teeth and write. You have to count your teeth, and how many teeth you have, you can write here. And count your teeth that have fallen and write. See, all of your teeth have fallen, no children? Now you have to count how many teeth have fallen and you have to write here. Okay, and you have to write the total teeth that you have in your mouth. Okay, children, the things to know here is the teeth that appear in children of 1 year to 6 year old are called milk teeth. Okay, the milk teeth will start falling from the age around 7 to 8 years old, and the teeth will appear in that place which are permanent teeth, and the permanent teeth which will appear after 7 to 8 years, they will never fall. If they will fall, it will not grow again. Okay, so we have to protect the permanent teeth, and an adult person has totally 32 teeth, and among them 8 are incisors. As I have told you, the front teeth are called incisors. In 32, 8 are incisors, 4 are canyons, and 20 are molars. So small children have totally 20 milk teeth. Okay, see here one story is there. Kanti is a girl named Kanti is studying in class 3. She was very fond of sweets, means she loved to eat the sweets. Okay, so she was eating chocolates and other sweet items every day, and she is very lazy. She did not brush her teeth properly. See children, if you will eat sweets and chocolates, and if you will not brush your teeth properly, your teeth will start decaying, right? So here Kanti is also very lazy to brush the teeth, so she did not wash her mouth after eating sweets, so the food got stuck between the teeth and a very bad smell have started to come from her mouth. Okay, and teeth also started to decay. So if the teeth will decay, the pain will start, right? Likewise, Kanti also have pain in her teeth and bleeding and also pus in her gums. Now Kanti's father took her to the dentist. The dentist saw and said that Kanti is not brushing her teeth daily after eating the food, so the food particles have got stuck between the teeth and it have caused the decay. So children, you also have to clean your mouth immediately after eating the sweets. Okay, so now see here, we have to write what should Kanti have done to save her teeth. See here, now here Kanti's 2 teeth have become decay, so dentist want to remove that. If Kanti have done these things, she could have saved her teeth. What Kanti should have done? Kanti should have washed her teeth before and after going to bed, and also she should have brushed her teeth, washed her teeth after having sweets and chocolates. Okay, see children, teeth help to increase the beauty of the face. If the teeth are proper in our mouth, it increases our beauty of our face, and teeth help us to pronounce correctly. With the help of tongue and teeth, we pronounce the things, right? So teeth helps us to pronounce the things correctly. Okay, see here children, here some activities are there. We need to observe these activities and put right mark to the right one and wrong mark to the wrong one in the given box. See, in the first picture, a girl is brushing the teeth. It is correct or wrong? It is very good thing. So we will put here right mark. See here in the second picture, a girl is sitting in the bed itself without brushing the teeth. This is very wrong thing. We should put wrong mark. Next, again, see, a boy is brushing the teeth. This is also very good thing. Next, see here, a boy is eating chocolate and sweet. Is this the good for our teeth? No, we should not eat sugar things. So it is wrong. Next, a girl is washing her mouth. A girl is rinsing her mouth. It is a good thing? Yes, it is a good thing. After eating sweet, she is rinsing her mouth. So here we will put right mark. Here, after eating sweet, a girl is just cleaning her mouth with the handkerchief. It is wrong thing. We will put wrong mark here. See here, a boy, after having food, he is also cleaning his mouth with the water. It is right thing. So here we will put right mark. See here, in the last picture, a boy is not cleaning his mouth after having food with water. He is just sweeping it. It is very wrong thing. So here we will put wrong mark. Okay. So we have to know that eat hard food items such as raw carrot, sugarcane, dry coconut, etc. once in a while. If we will eat hard food items sometimes, the teeth and gums will remain healthy, and drinking milk also keeps the teeth strong. Okay, why drinking milk keeps our teeth strong? Because milk is having calcium, and calcium is very essential to keep the bones and teeth healthy. So we need to drink milk to keep our teeth strong. Okay, if we have any problem in the teeth, we have to consult the dentist immediately. Who is dentist, children? A doctor who take care of the teeth is called dentist. Okay, if there is a dentist in your locality, you have to get information about the cleaning of your teeth. Okay, here one song is there, you can sing and you can enjoy. So this is all about lesson number 1. If you want the other lessons from lesson number 1 to lesson number 10, you can check in the description box. I have put the link over there. You can refer from there. And for the more lessons, for the more videos like this, you can subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.